you dump 2 cans of cream style corn. This is sweet cream corn. And now we get 1 bag of whole kernel corn. That's gonna go on top. This is the frozen kind. It's fine if it's frozen. Now we're gonna add some honey. Y'all are gonna be talking about this one. It's gonna be a hit at your Thanksgiving dinner. Trust me on this.
Honey?
Yes, trust me. Cover our corn with some honey. There we go.
It's a lot of honey.
This is gonna be yummy. Now we're gonna take some cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Just sprinkle that right over the top. Now this next ingredient is gonna surprise you, but as soon as I add it, you're gonna say, oh, I know where this is going and I love it. Y'all
Okay.
ready for this?
I have no idea.
Honey cornbread.
Oh, wow.
This is gonna be an impressive one for your guests, trust me.
You're just gonna dump that right on
Yep,
top?
dump it right on top. Do not mix it though. If you mix it, you're gonna mess it up. Take 1 box of honey cornbread mix.
Okay.
And cover that nice. There we go.
Honey cornbread. All right.
Now, you see I've got a lump here. We're just gonna take my hands and just kind of cover all the corn, just like that. Use your hands to just spread it out. That's totally fine. And we need some butter.
Butter? Oh.
That's the next ingredient.
Like my favorite job. All right, here we go. Butter. There we go. Oh, there it is. Butter.
Beautiful.
There you go.
Ooh,
Ooh,
I caught it.
good
I
catch.
caught it. Now, this butter's not sliced yet, but we need this in thin slices. And Kyle picked up this really nifty device for me. I haven't tried it yet, so we're gonna try that for the first time.
Okay.
Where should I put it? Here?
So show what this is. This is like little wires that are gonna cut
All right,
the butter. All right.
And then can I just put it here?
Yeah, sure. Put it right there.
And then just push?
Push down. Hopefully it'll slice it. We've never tried this before.
Whoa, oh my gosh, you guys.
Wow.
Why didn't I know about this? This would have been so much better all those times I was cutting the butter. Okay,
How do you get it out?
press it, press it, press it.
All right.
So that it comes all the way through.
We've never tried this before, by the way.
Listen, we are unfiltered here. We just show you everything. We show you the successes, we show you the failures, we show you the discoveries like this. This one's a winner. Now we're gonna
Yes.
take our butter slices.
That's awesome. Look
You're
how
gonna-
good that is.
It's perfect.
It's good.
You guys, this is life-changing. Cover the top of your cornbread.
Life-changing.
Life-changing. Cover the top of your cornbread with these thin slices of butter. And that's all you're gonna need. Once you get about, it ends up being about 1.5 sticks of butter that we're using here. What you got there?
I want to see if the Magic 8 button thinks this is going to be a good
Oh,
recipe.
good grief. Kyle loves this Magic 8 button.
All right, here we go.
Do you think that this is gonna turn out good?
Doesn't look clear yet.
Oh, it doesn't look clear yet.
Listen,
so maybe...
I'm convinced. Tell me in the comments if you all think this is a good idea. I think it's gonna be delicious. It's kind of like a spin on a dump cake, but it's obviously a sweet and savory casserole. So this is gonna be a hit for Thanksgiving.
And also, tell us where you're from, because we want to hear...
Oh, thank you. Good idea. So we live in Las Vegas, but I'm originally from Mississippi. Have I lost my accent? Y'all tell me.
I think it's still there.
Do you think I still have my accent?
Y'all fits into...
Do not try to do a Southern accent.
That's a Southern accent.
That is not how you do it.
Y'all fits to make some cornbread. Okay.
My husband is from Racine in Wisconsin.
Wisconsin. I'm a Yankee.
Yep, he's a Yankee.
Okay.
So, and you add your butter. This ends up being about 1.5 sticks of butter right over the top. And definitely, as Kyle was saying, let us know in the comments where you're from. I love reading them. I genuinely try to read as many as I can. And let me know what you
And
think.
you respond to them all,
I
too.
do. I
It's
really,
crazy.
that's me. When you see a response, it's coming from me. And I saw everybody's been asking, when's Kyle gonna cook? So I think it's coming up this week.
I'm thinking oatmeal.
Oh, no, we're gonna make something better than that.
right.
All right, you could top this with a little bit of cinnamon too. Just one quick dash of cinnamon, right?
I like cinnamon on it. This is gonna
Oh,
be
this is gonna be the best. I'm so excited about this one, y'all. Now that's it. You've got your corn, sweet corn, honey, cinnamon, honey cornbread, and butter. And that is all you need to have a delicious casserole that your family's gonna love. You're gonna think this is magic when you see what happens with that cornbread too. Bake this for about 30 to 45 minutes. Look to the comments for all the details about baking. I always put that there for you. It's gonna be a good one. It's ready for the taste test. This is our cornbread casserole.
I'm excited about this one. It
I know
smells
this
so
is gonna be a good one. Look at what happened to the cornbread. Isn't that perfect?
That is great.
And listen, see, nice little crunchy top
Crunchy.
layer. I need to get a bowl because I'm ready to taste this one. You're gonna try this one too, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
All right. Here we go.
Which piece do we want?
Oh, right there. Good. That's a good piece. All right.
So we've got both kinds of corn, a little bit of honey, and cinnamon. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good. Beautiful.
Oh, look at that. So this is kind of like a side, you know?
Yeah, this will be a really nice side dish. A little bit sweet.
Can I try some?
It's really good.
That was my bite.
It's even better than I thought it was gonna be.
Mmm.
Isn't that good?
Actually, it is good. Wow.
There's not gonna be any leftovers. This is definitely one. People will love this. The
dogs
dogs want some too.
Oh, this is good.
Try some more.
It's so good.